Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to teach you how to make an animated video in Canva. So let's begin. First, we have to take a video page for our animated video. Let's search for a sky. This one is good. Let's adjust it. Now let's search for birds. I got this butterfly and bird. We collect all the elements and then we adjust them. Now let's search for a tree. Let's find a perfect animated tree. Let's take this one and this one. Let's search for grasses. I can't find a perfect grass. It's time to adjust them. I also add a frog. Adjust the size and put them on their places. Rotate them. And now let's search for flowers. More flowers. Here I find some grass, so let's put them on our video. You can make any kind of animated video using this technique. Adjust the bees. Here comes the most interesting part. Add animation. Let's add animation in our elements and also you edit it. You can change the speed and categories, like if you want your video smooth, you can make it. Let's add animation in our elements and also you edit it. You can change the speed and categories, like if you want your video smooth, you can make it. Let's for a sun and clouds. Let's add this sun. This looks cute and put behind the tree. Let's search for a cloud. What about this cloud? No, I don't like it. Let's take this cloud and add animation on this cloud. There we go, our video is ready. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video for more videos. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.